How to post anonymously on Facebook group. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your application Facebook. Also, you have to make sure that the application Facebook is up to date. If not, head over to your app store and then search for the application Facebook. Over there, you will be able to update it. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open the app. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you are in this page, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. The option of groups will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will be landing you on this page. Scroll down and it will show you all a list of the groups that you have joined on Facebook. Simply move into one of the group that you want to post. Let me move into this one for now. Now tap on this interface where it says write something. Now select the photos or the video that you want to post, or you can write the status that you would like to post. Once you are done with your post, and if you don't want other people to know your identity, then simply enable this option where it says post anonymously, and then tap on got it. Now even if you post, none of the people will be able to find who you are, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can post anonymously on Facebook group. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.